Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video on how to set up AutoPay to kind of clear up any confusion and help you guys get that set up. So there are multiple ways to do it, and I'll show you all the different ways to navigate to that screen and to set up AutoPay. Now, if you want to set up AutoPay while at the same time that you pay your bill, log into mymusicstaff.com with the parent email and password. So you don't want to use the student password because they won't have access to this invoicing screen. So log in, come all the way over here, and then make sure you're hovered over this link and then click to pay. Enter in your credit card information and then make sure the box is checked for save this payment method for future use, and then automatically pay emailed invoices. That's your auto pay box right there. And then pay now. There is a $3.50 online convenience fee for MyStudio. Other people may do it different, so just be aware that that is not a standardized fee. Sometimes they charge a percentage, sometimes they just charge like a flat fee, and sometimes the studio will eat the cost. So it just depends on what that business decides to do. So I just wanted to clarify that in case you see that online convenience fee right there. All right, so then that's one way to do it. The next way, come down to account and invoices. On the left-hand side of the screen, it'll outlay all your charges for you. And if you want to see, I think it will have some more detail for you, but if you click on invoices at the top of the screen and then click on your most recent invoice, it should include a little bit more detail. Now, this is a test account, but sometimes they'll have descriptions for each of the charges. So the invoice will probably include that, whereas the account we were just in here would not include that. So if you really want to review your charges before making a payment or setting up AutoPay, I would recommend coming over to invoices, opening up your invoice, and reviewing it. You can also click here to pay online. Open link, bada bing, bada boom. There you go. This is the only way in which you cannot set up AutoPay. You can only make a payment that I found so far. And of course, you've got the option for Google Pay and a bank account, either of those three options. So clicking on the button, click here to pay online in your invoice is the only way that will not allow you to set up AutoPay. Okay, so now we're in accounts and invoices. So we did make a payment. You can also go to manage payment methods. This is if you aren't ready to pay your balance or whatever charges are on your account. You're just not wanting to make that payment yet, but you do want to add a payment method or set up direct deposit. This is the place to do that. So you would come here and add your payment method and then check the automatically pay emailed invoices if that's the specific card you want to do the auto pay on. You can have multiple cards and then just have your main default card that is your auto pay card. So that's really nice. Okay, yeah, that's about it. And then your make a payment button, I think we reviewed. It brings you to that exact same screen as home, and click here to pay. So lots of different ways for you to access it. If you have any other questions, reach out to me, and have a good rest of your day.